We did the air conditioner.
The air conditioner was invented in 1902. This addressed the issue of papers in print shops getting smeared and wrinkled. This was invented by Willis Carrier.
It was originally made of water-cooled coils in a big industrial fan, so the fan would just shoot air through the cold coils. And Willis Carrier originally built it by hand.
Patents of the invention. The first patent was by Willis Carrier on November 21st, 1944, called US 23682. It's currently expired. This is the bottom patent is not expired. It is a patent on the condenser. I don't want to say the name.
There's been like a lot of improvements made to the air conditioner. Carrier later created the centrifugal chiller, which made the unit smaller, and it's more similar to what we use today. And then the People's air conditioner was created so people could actually use it in their homes because it was cheaper. And then the rotary compressor made it quieter and more efficient. And then today we see a lot of central air conditioning, which is for bigger buildings.
Disciplines of engineering and project. We believe that electrical engineering would be in the air conditioner because modern central air conditioning systems need electrical engineers. Electric coils are used in some air conditioners. It would also be mechanical engineering because it creates the system just to put it there.
Almost everyone, like especially here in America, uses air conditioners. 75% of American houses have air conditioning, 90% of Japanese and Korean homes, and then most large office and commercial buildings.
Impact of the air conditioner today is used all around the globe. It keeps people cool in the hot weather. This has lowered the amount of heat-related deaths, and it keeps people comfortable in buildings. The negative impact on the environment is it depletes natural resources. It contributes to the greenhouse effect.
The improvements we would make it more consistent in large buildings, so like all the rooms are the same temperature, not one hot, one cold. And then we would be able to cool spaces faster, like in your car when it's hot, and you just get in and it's cold instantly.
These are